So this is case number P as in Paul 112-4316, and defendant Deallen Wesley Price is charged count 1, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 is no insurance, and count 3 is drove while license not valid. And the city attorney is making a recommendation of a plea to failure to display on count 3 and improper plates on count 1. And then they would dismiss P675457 count 3, which is driving while license not valid. And I would dismiss the other 2 counts per the MOU. And then the city would also dismiss 469390 counts 1, 2, and 3, and P945195 count 1, driving while license not valid, and I would dismiss the other 2 per the MOU. And then Mr. Faulkner, per the MOU, he could plead to a 2017 or a 2000, actually it's 3. He could plead to 2017, 18, or 19 failure to display.
It matters not, Your Honor.
Okay. So on P987988 count 1 is failure to display, and I would accept his plea and dismiss the other 2 counts, and then I would dismiss another state ticket, P945. Okay.
So you haven't pleaded.
So plead to 2 failure to displays, 1 improper plate, and dismiss the other.
My client accepts that, Your Honor.
Mr. Price, you understand if I accept your pleas today, you're giving up the right to have a trial either by judge or jury?
Yes, I understand.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody promised you anything to make you plead today that I do not know about?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone threaten you in any way, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Do you recall being in the area of Littlefield and Chicago in the city of Detroit on or about October 14th of 2020?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle that day?
Yes.
Were your plates expired?
Yes.
Per the people's recommendation, accept the plea to improper plates. And then on that same date, time, and location, I'm going to dismiss count 2 for the MOU. And then that same date, time, and location, did you have a valid driver's license in your immediate possession?
No, I didn't have a valid driver's license, Your Honor.
For the people's recommendation, accept that plea to failure to display. And then on or about April 18th of 2019, were you in the area of Grandmont and Joy Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have a valid driver's license in your immediate possession?
No, I didn't, Your Honor.
Yes. And he stepped to probable cause, is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thanks. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. Are you employed, sir?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
So. Anything before sentencing, I have dismissed the other ticket. So on the improper plates, he's working, right?
He's working full-time, needs his license for his job.
Okay, $150 on the failure to display. The first one, $245, $45 reinstatement fee. And he's gonna owe $45 reinstatement fee on the improper plates. So it's gonna be $195 and $290. I did waive the warrant fee. Oh, you know what, he won't owe reinstatement fee on these. I take that back, it's from October. So he owes $150 and $245, which is $395, and then on the older failure to display, $245 plus $45 is $290. And then on, he has a great number of dismissals, and he's gonna owe reinstatement fee on each of those.
I informed him, Your Honor. He understands.
Are you gonna pay these today, sir?
I don't get paid until tomorrow, Friday, but I have to pay my light bill, and then all the rest of the checks I could be able to pay for my
So
light.
when are you gonna be able to pay the 3 that I fined you on?
I'm going to try to pay those next Friday. I get a whole check on that Friday.
Okay, tell me a date, sir. Can you pay those by March 5th?
Yes, Your Honor, I could pay them by March 5th.
Okay.
And how much would that be again?
Pay until then. Make sure you pay by then, all right?
I will, because I could get a better position at my job if I can get my license. I'll be able to drive a tow truck. So I'm working on that now.
So the court's not open for you to come and pay here. You can go to our website. It presents, you can pay online if you have a debit or credit card.
Yes.
If you don't have a debit or credit card, you can also pay at a DIVDAT, that's D-I-V-D-A-T kiosk, and you can make partial payments, and you can use cash
Oh.
as well. And those are you familiar with those?
No, but I have a debit card. I'll be able to, I guess, go on the website and pay it off my debit card.
Okay, don't forget, I told
No,
you March 5th, all right?
I appreciate it. I wrote it down. But how much do I owe on March 5th? I'm sorry.
245 and 150 is 395 plus 290. 395 plus 290.
685,
685.
but it's probably some reinstatement fees too.
But he's
No,
gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees, but I just want, those are the three.
I'm going to pay those. 680.
You have to pay those, okay?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to pay the 685 on or before the March 5th. And then the rest of the tickets, I just paid the $45 reinstatement, right?
Right.
And,
told you
and
how to
once I
find it.
pay all that, would I be able to get? Sorry. I said once I pay all of those reinstatement fees, would I be able to get my driver's license? Because I never had
You're gonna have
none.
to ask the Secretary of State. I don't know if you have any tickets anywhere else.
No,
But
I don't have
you
none.
should, once you pay those reinstatement fees, then our system talks in real time to the Secretary of State, and those clearances, they should know about them, and then they can tell you whether you can get a license, okay? So I will call them. Mr. Faulkner, do you think he should make an appointment now?
Yes.
yeah,
I would say because they're so far behind, I would call today and make an appointment, and I bet you it's probably not gonna be until about May before you can get in there.
Wow.
So call today to the Secretary of State and make an appointment. And then you'll have paid those, and they can tell you when you go for your Secretary of State appointment, what it is you have to do.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay, I'm gonna end our call. Have a good day. And don't drive again until you get a license.
No, I won't. I need my license. Thank you again, Your Honor.
Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Faulkner. Good morning. Good morning.